Today we're in search of man, bear, pig part 3. Today we're going to take Lumi up the mountain and we'll show her what we found, because we need her expertise in finding man, bear, pig. I forgot my sunglasses today. It's going to be a big hike. You ready?
Now!
You made it, Lumi. This was as high as you went last time, in the middle of the night. Any sightings of man, bear, pig? Yes or no? That's a no. No. Alright. Pretty cool, huh, Lumi? Good? I love this place. This was good. 250 calories in 25 minutes. Sweating like crazy. Just stopping for some short exercise. We're off again. In search of man, bear, pig. And crab people. Crab people. Crab people. Walk like crab, talk like people. 안녕하세요. That guy's like 100 and going fast. He needs a Fitbit watch.
100?
Yeah. Koreans look really, really young because they go to saunas all the time and eat ginseng. What is it? Maybe that's where man, bear, pig is his house. No?
No!
Okay, we made it to the top. Last time we did this in 1 hour and 500 calories. This time 51 minutes, 445 calories. So we're getting better. My knees are hurting now. You're fine, aren't you? I hate you. I'm just glad Lumi's not as fit as me, because that would really pain me. Oh, it's beautiful here. Look at this. Stunning greenery.
It's peaceful.
Oh yeah, if I lived here I'd be doing this every couple of days, because I'd be fit as this guy. It's good. Here she is. You made it. We're at the top. Don't worry, 1.2 kilometers to go. But this is as far as we made it last time. Okay, well, you're gonna have to stay here by yourself.
Okay.
You know there's man, bear, pig and drop bears and hoop snakes and zombies.
Hello, squirrel.
That's cool. That's great. Oh what, there's a weight set here, Lumi. Oh wow. Koreans, man. You guys rock. That is hula hoops. Oh, now she's got energy. Oh my god. This is hilarious. Wow. I really, really like this. There's a weight set here. Wow. This is awesome. Look at this view.
How do you do this?
I have no idea.
You're disturbingly good at this. I think you should fail just to show that you don't know how to do it. Yeah, okay, that's better. Yeah.
What are you doing?
I don't know if I'm turned on or I don't to get nightmares tonight. There's a lot of jiggling here.
Yep.
See, Mark, this is how men should hula hoop. Yeah, this is more manly.
I think it's the shape. If I put my back out too, you're going to carry me down.
Wow. This is really just not right. I don't even know you anymore. I don't even know you anymore. Who are you?
I don't know. I didn't
What
know
is-
I could do that.
You can climb mountains, hula hoop. You make me sick. Oh wow! No. 427 meters up.
427 meters up.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
It's very, I know the camera's not showing much, but we can see the river.
We'll go down.
All right. So, 659 calories, 1.25 hours, 2.55 Ks. We're done.
I forgot to start mine in the last bit. Oh,
We did well. All right. What was that? That's you. What was it? Was that you?
no, definitely wasn't me.
I think we finally found Man Bear Pig. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that drone footage. It was really difficult to fly through those trees. Mike says it's an owl. I definitely think it's Man Bear Pig.
Man
Well-
Bear Pig is not real.
How? You can't be serial about that.
It is not
Say
real.
what I think she said.
Yep, she's in denial about Man Bear Pig. We need to have the... Do we need to get Al Gore to do a presentation for you?
So,
Yep. Al Gore is super serial about Man Bear Pig.
Stop saying cereal. It's not cereal.
It's super serial. Okay? Super serial. We've made it to the exercise place. We've now done 4 kilometers, 912 calories, 1,000 is in the reach. Come on, pull up. Huh. That's not a pull up.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Not far to go now. This was great. This was our last climb in Korea, hike.
Yep.
Because in a few days we go home. You guys are serial.
one-handed.
Yep. I'm not recording your legs, so go for it. Get to the chopper! Man Bear Pig! Oh, he's coming right for us.
Yeah.
People.
Coming right for us.
Huh. Oh, that is a Chinook.
Woo!
Let me stop.
Hi, Chinook. Oh, my butt. Whoa.
Oh, I thought it was going to go right over us.
On action. Action, take one. Woo!
That's the house we're staying at. Ah, this is what we climbed. Lumi, where are we? Oh, well, there's the KTX tunnel.
Yep.
So we must be here.
Flowers. Look at the
528 meters.
Look at the bees.
So actually that mountain is 528 meters. It's on a leash. 안녕. Kyota. Kyota. No way, the cat's name is Lumi.
Oh my god.
That is awesome.
아 그래?
네.
어 진짜? 어. 여기 한국에서 다닌 학교, 외국에서 왔지. 호주에서 안고 네가 이 몸 빠지고
Do it with your phone so you can
룸이래. 아유 너무 신기하다 너. 미야 여기 봐봐. 앞에
Two
봐봐.
Lumis. Two Lumis. I didn't think that was possible. And we're done. 1120 calories, 10,600 steps, over 5 kilometers. We are,
Vertical height was, but it was a lot.
yeah, it was good.
Yep.
And that was our last hike in Korea, so we made it a good one. That was really good. Oh, time for a drink. Woo! Subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff.